subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
The next OnePlus flagship phone, that is OnePlus 6, will have no touch in its display, which was officially confirmed by the Carl Pei, the co-founder of OnePlus. And here is the first official image of it. He puts a positive spin on it and describes it as adding more screen real estate instead of taking anything away. The no touch on the OnePlus 6 will measure 19.62 by 7.69 mm. A smaller no touch would mean smaller camera module, which in turn means lower quality photos. The same goes for the earpiece, and people want their notification LEDs. The no touch is larger than the Essential phone but smaller than the iPhone 10. Then again, the iPhone 10 has a minified connect in there. Carl Pei doesn't feel the need to use such a complicated sensor, so the OnePlus 6 will likely stick to the camera-based face recognition and fingerprint reader. The new model will free up room on the bottom as well by replacing the standard Android navigation buttons with gestures, just like the iPhone 10. Carl Pei is careful to avoid mentioning the Oppo R15, which laid down the hardware blueprint for the OnePlus 6, as Oppo R phones have done for the OnePlus phones in the past few years. That doesn't invalidate his claims, but other than a wood grain back, the OnePlus 6 will not have a terribly original design. The OnePlus isn't yet ready to talk more about the OnePlus 6, but the timing of its preemptive notch defense indicates that we will see an early release than the company's usual June timeline. So, what do you guys think of the OnePlus 6 so far? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSoul blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.